Hey guys, and welcome to our presentation video for the assembly phase of our project here at KTH. The project is called the Maribot Kungsfiskare project, and the goal of the project is to create an amphibious drone capable of autonomous flight to perform search and rescue missions or surveys and stuff like that. Previously, we've had a very long period between iterations. I think the time it took to create the first iteration was 3 months, but since then we've had a big focus on actually speeding up the process, and now we've built 4 drones in the time span of, what is it, 3 months? So we're getting much better, and this is in part due to us creating a test rig where we could practice our flying skills and as well as play with the parameters and the software to see if we can achieve a stable flight on our own. That has been a tremendous help, us just being able to crash it and repair the thing in 20 minutes instead of having to spend 2 weeks repairing and rebuilding has really helped us move faster in the project. And now we feel pretty confident with the parameters we have. We've learned a lot from the test rig, and we feel confident that we can go on to a new version of the X8, and therefore we're creating this amphibious version where we have waterproofed it with silicone and tightened up all the holes to make sure that no water comes in, and we've done some flotation testing in the water to kind of see how it behaves on the surface, if it splashes, that's not a word, if it splashes around and if it kind of floats as it should. As you can see in this picture, the motor is quite close to the surface, but we believe that it's not a problem, and we decided to go on without doing any changes. Here we're assembling the body and preparing it for the paint shop. We're not going to do anything crazy since this body has been through a lot and has already been crashed and shows a lot of wear and tear, so we're just going to give it a quick coat to make sure it looks a little bit better, but mostly just to cover up the cracks. And that's about it. Right now we're just finishing up with some little bugs and issues we have with the compass, and then we're ready for our first test flight and hopefully our first flight from water within the next 2 weeks.